Welcome back to Linux Academy. This video is all about exceptions. Any errors in a Python script will cause it to stop and not execute your program till the end. For example, if you try to divide a number by 0 or try to import a module that you do not have installed. Python can catch these errors using try and keep your script going while letting you know something happened. To try, print 1 divided by 0, which will throw an exception but will be caught by Python. You can explicitly tell the except statement which exception to catch. In our case, we saw up above, 0 division error is the exception that will be thrown when you divide anything by a 0. Then I can say print cannot divide by 0. At the end, you can have an else statement which only runs if the try was successful. Catching the exception made sure our script did not exit and our program would keep on running. So whenever there's a chance you'll get a fatal error, make sure to put it in a try statement. Another example would be using the subprocess module that we've used quite a bit and given it a command that does not exist on Linux. In this example, we're not only going to catch the exception, but also print out exactly the error that was returned by subprocess. And then a final statement to print out everything is good if no exceptions were found. Lastly, if you're trying to use a module that you're not sure if you have on your system, put that in a try statement as well. That's it for this short video. Mark it complete and go to the next one.